Loyola's School of Communication classes are incredible. They teach you so much about the industry, but regardless of how amazing those classes are, there is certain things you can only learn in the real world.
Going into a marketing internship at a real company, fully immersed around professionals that are doing this 24/7, really helped me professionally develop in the sense of like where I want to be in the future.
There is just a certain level of exposure that provides you, and working with colleagues in the field and being able to ask questions with industry experts on an everyday basis. It's an incredible experience. I was initially stressed out because it's a requirement. What if I don't find an internship? Loyola's School of Communication professors do a great job of making sure you will find an internship. So if that's the concern, I would say don't worry.
I did what most students do, scrolling on Handshake, LinkedIn, reaching out to other students, professors to see if they have any leads. Eventually came across a fitness club called FFC, Formula Fitness Clubs, for a marketing position.
So Intern at Modern Luxury, it's the nation's largest luxury media company, which has been an incredible experience.
Actually sitting down with a group of professionals working on content and working on marketing strategies that are actually going to be posted, and I get to see how my influence on the company is impacting their clientele.
Having that push, which I needed, I wouldn't have had this experience if there wasn't an internship requirement, has been incredible because I can't imagine my 4 years without being at Modern Luxury.
The classroom portion helped me mentally, strategy-wise, but actually implementing it really refined those skills.